So we have decided to take a breather, relax for a bit, and head for a staycation in Dubai for a last summer heat hooray. This was the perfect birthday staycation. The offer was a steal with early check-in at 12 p.m. and late checkout at 6 p.m. It was my birthday and they raised the bar by putting a surprise birthday room setup. The bedroom was filled with rose petals, balloons, and they had even prepared a mouth-watering chocolate cake with written happy birthday from Paramount. I always gravitate towards themed hotel. This time I wanted to experience the glory of the golden age era and red carpet with Hollywood-themed rooms. Quotes from famous Paramount movies act as a focal point in this fairly spacious bathroom. The Scenic room definitely speaks for its name, as upon entering the room, we were greeted by a magnificent view of Dubai skyline and water canal. In addition, swimming facilities were open until 9 p.m. Different Hollywood-themed cabanas are also readily available with a TV setup for you to relax and chill out. The Malibu Club has a pool bar and a big projector where you can enjoy watching football games while sipping your margarita or responding to your last-minute work emails. The pool deck view from the top will definitely leave you in awe. Sumptuous breakfast is served at the stage wherein you can enjoy a variety of dishes ranging from continental or Indian breakfast. The Paramount Hotel should be definitely on your next staycation list.